Welcome to Harvey Cooper Cars. This is our 2018 67 plate Audi TT Black Edition S-Line S-Tronic, covered 78,650 miles. It does come with a full service history. So in October 2025 it had 4 new tyres installed, and the previous year in May it had the Haldex and the DSG oil changed as well. Finished in Nardo Grey with the Rotor Grey fine Nappa leather interior. But just working our way around, it is a Quattro, so it does have the all-wheel drive system as well as the Matrix LED headlights, which is an option. We've got 19-inch alloy wheels as well. Being the Black Edition, we do have the gloss black contrast elements such as the mirror caps and towards the rear as well, the rear diffuser, the gloss black finish. Inside we do have the Super Sport seats with the Rotor Grey leather with the S embossing there and the diamond quilted design. We've got Audi phonebox, we've got hold assist, we've got the Bang & Olufsen sound system, we've got a reversing camera, heated front seats, Audi virtual cockpit as well. Just have a quick look into the rear seats there. We do have the deployable spoiler here, so this section you can extend upwards. Have a look at the boot space there, plenty of space in there. We do have the parking pack as well with the reversing camera and the S-Line styling. So if you'd like any more details on this Audi TT Black Edition, please do get in touch.